Storytelling time with Teacher Jason. The story this time goes by the title The Golden Egg. Harya, a poor barber, lived alone in his small hut. He was dedicated to his work, and whatever he earns was just enough to fulfill his needs. One evening, after returning home, Harya was hungry. What shall I cook tonight? He heard a hen clucking outside his hut. That hen would make a great feast for me, thought Harya, and prepared to catch the hen. With a little effort, he was able to catch the hen. As he was about to kill the hen, it squeaked. Please do not kill me, oh kind man, I will help you. Harya stopped. He was surprised that the hen spoke. He asked, How can you help me? If you spare my life, I will lay a golden egg for you every day, said the hen. Harya's eyes got widened in delight. Harya was surprised to hear the promise. A golden egg? Every day? But why should I believe you? You might be lying, said Harya. If I do not produce any golden egg tomorrow, you can kill me, said the hen. And after this promise, Harya spared the hen and waited for the next day. The next morning, Harya went to see the hen and found a golden egg lying outside his hut. The hen sitting beside it. It is true! You really can lay a golden egg, exclaimed Harya with great delight. He did not reveal this incident to anyone, fearing that others would catch the hen. From that day onwards, the hen would lay a golden egg every day. In return, Harya took good care of the hen, and very soon Harya became rich. But Harya became greedy. He thought, if I cut open the hen's stomach, I can get out all the golden egg at once. I do not have to wait for the hen to lay the golden egg one by one. That night, he brought the hen to the interior portion of his house and killed the hen. To his dismay, he found no golden egg inside the stomach, not even one. Oh, what have I done? My greed had made me kill the hen. But it was too late. The golden egg